Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 5, adequate. American pronunciation, adequate. Ad-e-quate. Adequate. British pronunciation,
adequate, adequate, adequate.
Meaning number 1. Adequate means good enough quality for a particular purpose. Meaning number 2. Enough in quantity. Common usage in academic writing that you need to know are adequate funds, adequate safety, adequate number of responses. Example sentence, adequate, adjective. Employers typically provide adequate training for new employees. Variations of adequate in academic writing that you need to know are adequately, adverb. Before opening a business, it is important to be adequately insured. And inadequate, adjective. The study was canceled due to inadequate funding. Now you can use adequate confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!